everyone, welcome to the Remedies Forum. Today we're talking about a magical ingredient that can transform your skin, which is vitamin C. In this video, I'll share 10 amazing benefits of vitamin C for your skin. So let's get started. 10 skin benefits of vitamin C that will surprise you. Number 1. Brighter skin tone. Let's start with the first benefit. It brightens your skin tone. If your skin looks dull or lifeless, vitamin C can bring it back to life. It works by reducing dark spots and dullness, leaving your skin glowing and fresh. Think of it like a magic light switch that makes your skin shine naturally. Whether you're dealing with uneven skin tone or stubborn marks, vitamin C helps even everything out. Number 2. Reduces wrinkles and fine. Vitamin C is amazing at fighting wrinkles and fine lines. As we age, our skin loses something called collagen. This is what keeps our skin tight and firm. Vitamin C helps your skin make more collagen, which means fewer wrinkles and sagging. Regular use of vitamin C can make your skin look younger and smoother over time. Who doesn't want that? Number 3. Protects your skin from sun damage. Next up is protection from the sun. Now, vitamin C is not a sunscreen, but it does protect your skin from the damage caused by UV rays. When you're out in the sun, harmful rays can create free radicals. These are tiny particles that damage your skin cells and cause aging. Vitamin C works like a shield, neutralizing these free radicals and preventing sunspots and redness. But remember, always pair it with sunscreen for the best results. Number 4. Heals acne scars and vitamin C speeds up healing. If you have acne scars, small cuts, or other skin injuries, vitamin C helps your skin repair itself faster. It reduces redness, soothes irritation, and promotes the growth of healthy new skin. Over time, your scars will fade, and your skin will look much smoother. Number 5. Hydrates your skin. Hydration. Did you know vitamin C helps your skin hold on to moisture? It strengthens your skin barrier, which is like the outer wall of your skin, preventing water loss. This means your skin stays soft, plump, and hydrated all day long. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. Number 6. Fights free radicals. Next, let's talk about free radicals. These are invisible bad guys that come from pollution, stress, and unhealthy habits. They damage your skin cells, making it look dull and tired. Vitamin C acts like a superhero, fighting off these free radicals and protecting your skin from damage. It's like giving your skin a protective armor against the outside world. Number 7. Fades dark spots. Vitamin C is a champion at fading dark spots. Whether it's acne marks, sunspots, or pigmentation from aging, vitamin C works to lighten them. It stops the skin from producing too much melanin, which is what gives these spots their dark color. Over time, your skin becomes clearer and more even-toned. Number 8. Boosts collagen production. Number 8 is all about collagen. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm and bouncy. As we get older, our skin makes less collagen, which leads to sagging and wrinkles. Vitamin C not only helps your skin make more collagen but also prevents the breakdown of the collagen you already have. This keeps your skin looking firm, youthful, and lifted. Number 9. Reduces inflammation. Let's talk about inflammation. If you have sensitive, red, or irritated skin, vitamin C can help calm things down. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe your skin, making it look healthier and feel more comfortable. This is especially great if you deal with conditions like acne or rosacea. Number 10. Works for all skin types. And finally, number 10. Vitamin C is for everyone. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, there's a vitamin C product out there for you. It's gentle, versatile, and works for all ages and skin concerns. So, no matter your skin type, you can enjoy its amazing benefits. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy skincare tips. And in the comments, tell me what's your favorite vitamin C product. I'd love to hear from you.